What 5 tax filing mistakes should you look out for to reduce or eliminate the chance of making a mistake? Hi there again and welcome. Today we're going to tackle a topic that's crucial for anyone who's filing taxes: how to avoid common tax filing mistakes. Making errors on your tax return can lead to delays, audits, or even penalties, so it's worth taking the extra time to get it right. Let's walk through 5 of the most common mistakes people make and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, incorrect personal information. It may seem obvious, but believe it or not, one of the most common errors is entering incorrect personal information. Things like your name, your social security number, and probably most importantly, bank account details. Even a small typo can cause a major problem, such as delays in processing your return, or even worse, receiving the refund in the wrong account. To avoid this mistake, please double check all of your personal information before submitting your tax return. Particularly if you recently got married or divorced and your name has changed, make sure that it matches the name on file with the Social Security Administration. Mistake number 2, failing to report all of your income. This is a frequent error, and this can include income from side gigs, freelance work, or even investments. Something that I have seen often is that you may not remember that you are getting a W-2 or a 1099 if you only worked a few months in the beginning of the year. When you submit a tax return that omits any amount of income received, the IRS will almost certainly catch it, and sooner or later, you're gonna have to amend your return to include it. The issue isn't just the amendment itself. Most of the time, the taxpayer has already received a refund and already spent it. Adding the additional income significantly increases the likelihood that the amount initially received in the refund was more than it should have been, because many credits are based on the total income. When income increases, many credits decrease or even get completely phased out, meaning you're gonna have to repay what you received with interest plus the taxes that may apply to the additional income you just included. To prevent this, gather all of your income documents before starting your return. Check and recheck to ensure you've included everything. If you're unsure whether a specific income source needs to be reported that in any particular year, ask a professional and don't assume. Mistake number 3, overlooking deductions and credits. Tax deductions and credits can significantly increase the amount of taxes that you owe or increase your refund. But many people miss out on these opportunities. For example, you might qualify for the earned income tax credit, education credits, or deductions for medical expenses or charitable donations, or even business expenses. The solution? Research which deductions and credits apply to your particular situation. Tax preparation software can be helpful as it often prompts you to input details that could uncover potential savings. If you're not confident, consult a tax advisor to ensure you're maximizing your benefits legally. Mistake number 4, late filing or not filing at all. You know the tax deadline's coming. It's not a surprise. It happens every single year. Procrastination can only lead to costly penalties. Failing to file by the deadline or neglecting to request an extension can result in late fees and interest charges. But keep in mind that even if you can't pay the full amount, it's always better to file on time and make payment arrangements for whatever unpaid balance you have. To avoid this mistake, make sure to mark your calendar with key tax deadlines that apply to you. If you're worried about not having enough time to complete your return, at least file for the extension, just to be on the safe side. But remember, the extension only gives you more time to file, not more time to pay. Any unpaid taxes due will accrue interest as of April 16th and forward. Mistake number 5, math errors and typos. Finally, math errors and typos are among the most common mistakes on tax returns. It could just be that you added up the numbers incorrectly or that you put the right number in the wrong box. These errors can lead to delays or adjustments to your return. To minimize the risk, use again a tax software or a trusted professional. If you're preparing your return manually, take your time and double and triple check your calculations. Reviewing everything before you file is the key to avoiding unnecessary headaches. Filing taxes can be daunting, but by being aware of these 5 common mistakes, you can significantly reduce the chances of making mistakes. Double check your personal information, report all of your income, take advantage of credits and deductions, file on time, and review your math and entries. These steps can help ensure your tax season goes smoothly and stress-free. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, a little extra care now can save you a lot of trouble later. As for always, my dear viewers, share this video with your friends, family, and coworkers. Give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the valuable information that we post. And if you need a little bit more help, don't hesitate to call us. God bless you.